Subhanallah walhamdulillah wallahu akbar.
The benefits of Salah. This video can never even come close to explaining the benefits that you and I attain through Salah. Even though I'll just enumerate the few of the benefits very quickly, inshallah. Ibn Jawzi Rahimahullah says in his book Zaad Al Maa'az, Salah is the source of Rizq. It's a source of eradicating tests from your lives. Salah puts love of Allah in your heart. It increases Taqwa. It's a source of happiness to life. It's among the source of energy for the body. Likewise, it opens up the heart and lets it not be sealed. Salah enlightens the heart. Salah is a protection from the Azab of Allah Azza wa Jalla. Salah is a shield against Shaitan. It keeps Shaitan away from your heart. Salah is the protector of health. One who prays, Allah keeps him healthy. It rids away the illness of the body. Salah is the source of enlightening up your face. The face of one who prays is filled with Noor. It rids away laziness and slumberness and unproductivity in life. It empowers the body more than as it was before. It's a healthy diet for the soul. Scholars have mentioned that even music is a food for soul. Music is a food for soul and a fuel of Shaitan. But a healthy diet is the recitation of the Quran that you make in your Salah. Salah is the protector of the ni'mah of Allah in your life. One who prays, Allah continues to bless him with ni'mah. It's a source of goodness and blessings. It's a source of getting close to Ar-Rahman. It gives the lesson of fearing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is the greatest zikr and ibadah. Salah is the key to JANNAH. ALLAHUMMA INNI AS'ALUKA JANNAH. Salah is the source of the descent of the mercy of Allah for the DUNIYAH. Salah is a reward that will be heavy on Hashr. It's a sign that you love Allah. It's a source of showing gratefulness to Allah for what He blessed you with. Salah is the door of greatness in dunya. It's a connection between the slave and his Rabb. Salah is the acknowledgement of the favors of the Rabb presented by the slave. Salah is the source of achieving the pleasure of Allah. Salah is the source of guidance. Salah is how you show your love for Sunnatun Nabi. Salah is the reminder of the Akhirah. Salah gives us lesson of making tawbah and istighfar. Salah is the source of sabr and steadfastness. Salah is why victory belongs to Muslimin. Salah is the way for Islah, making improvements in your life and in religious matters. Every Salah is a step towards Allah in this journey of life. How close can you get to Him? Salah establishes the unity in the Ummah. Salah teaches us brotherhood. Salah is the source of purity after you have sinned. Salah is the announcement of war and enmity with Shaitan. Salah rubs away the torment of the grave. It's a protection against the love of dunya and a source of increment in the love of Allah. Salah is the distinction between a Muslim and a kafir. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make me and you one to whom Salah is close and beloved more than every pleasure in life. May our Salah be the source of our forgiveness of our sin and be our ticket to Jannah. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. آمين يا رب العالمين.
Allahu, 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 Allah, Allahu, Allahu.